What's up, everybody? Back with part 2 of this Rinnai. About to do the flush with vinegar, of course, hooking up my own hoses here, and then going through and blowing out that burner assembly and making sure all the dust and debris is out of there and the exhaust as best as you can. Also went out to the outside and vacuumed it and brushed it out there. Checked all the electrical, put it all back. Now the main thing everybody knows, if you know, you know, all them damn screws. That's why I do this fast timeline. It makes it look so cool, so neat, but in actuality that took, you know, all of an hour and a half to really clean this thing and give it the business. So see you in part 3 for the wrap up.